Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare cheesy potato recipe. So the ingredients required to prepare this potato recipe are, here I have taken 3 potatoes and I have boiled and cut them into pieces like this. And then here I have taken coriander leaves. This is some fresh coriander leaves. I have finely chopped it. Here I have taken little butter. This is approximately 2 tablespoons of butter. 1 big lemon squeezed, so lemon juice. This is cheese. I have grated the cheese cube, so 1 cheese cube. Here I have taken near about 6 cloves of garlic and I have chopped them like this finely. This is 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and half a teaspoon of red chili flake. This is red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder. We'll be using 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and salt as per our taste. So let's get started. Let's prepare the cheesy potato. The first step, friends, we are going to heat the kadhai and add the butter. So I have used half and half I have kept it here. And now in this butter we are going to add the potatoes. Saute the potatoes in this butter for some time till it becomes it changes its color slightly. Now friends, as you can see, our potatoes have become slightly golden in color. This is the time I will add salt. So here we add salt as per our taste. Since we have used butter, that's also salted, so just keep that in mind. Red chili powder, black pepper powder, oregano, chili flakes, and then we are mixing it. Now at this stage we will add the remaining butter. We'll also add the garlic, over a medium flame. We will add the lemon juice. This will give a very nice twist to this recipe. And now I will fry this over a medium flame for near about 5 to 7 minutes. So now friends, at this stage you have to add this fresh coriander leaves. The amount of the butter depends on how much buttery you want your recipe to be. Now friends, the potatoes are ready. I will transfer it to the serving plate and then I'm going to put cheese on top of it. So let's turn off the flame. So here I have transferred it to the serving plate and then now I will take the cheese and I'm going to sprinkle it on top to garnish it. So here is our very yummy cheesy potato ready. Serve it hot. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. And now as you can see, the cheese has started melting. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.